Good evening to one and all. I welcome you to this very precious and a powerful platform called Paramita Ed Talks. My name is Mahalakshmi K and I am from grade 7C. I would like to start by sharing an extraordinary incident with you. On January 15, 2009, an aircraft in USA experienced dual engine failure and the pilots had no option but to call it a mayday. Mayday, as we all may know, it is an emergency situation when the pilot loses every control of the aircraft. But wait, it was not the end. Something the pilots didn't lose, and that was the confidence. The confidence they had did something and saved the people on board. The very famous captain today, it's Mr. Chesley Sullenberger, and also goes by the name of Mr. Sully, decided to attempt seemingly an impossible act that day. As they were flying the aircraft above River Hudson, Captain Sully decided to land and glide the plane on river. Seems shockingly strange, doesn't it? How can an airline pilot who had lost both engines and declared a mayday thought to plan an adventure like this? Yes, I also felt the same when I read this story for the first time. But to everyone's surprise, Captain Sully did land the plane on River Hudson, glided it, and saved everyone on board. Today, this incident is called as the Miracle on Hudson. But was it only a miracle or something more than that? It was Captain Sully's confidence on his own abilities saved many lives of his passengers. And so, dear audience, today I have chosen the topic confidence to deliver my talk. We, the students, are often told, be confident. But many students do not know the meaning of confidence, nor do they know why to be confident. So, let us first understand the meaning of confidence. The confidence is a belief on our own capabilities and sometimes believing in someone else's capabilities too. I think that might be confusing for you, isn't it? Okay, let me make it simple for you. When I sit behind my dad on a two-wheeler, I am stress-free because I am confident about my dad's motorbiking skills. But when I ride a bicycle, my dad is worried till I reach home because he knows that I need more practice. And so he lacks confidence in me. And that is why it is said, practice makes a man perfect. That means the more we practice something, we can become an expert in that area. Naturally, our confidence level goes up and even people may start believing in our capabilities too. Captain Sully had years and years of practice as a pilot, and so he was confident in his area of expertise. Now, let me tell you the 4 levels of confidence. Level 1, underconfident. When we say, I think I can't do it, that means we are underconfident. And level 2, confident. When we say, I think I can do it, that means we are confident about a particular task. And level 3 is self-confidence. When we say, I have the capability to do this. And the last and level 4 is overconfidence. When we say, only I can do it or no one can do it better than I do, it is when we are overconfident. Dear audience, it is important to be self-confident because it only comes after gaining knowledge and by doing practice. Now, the difference between self-confidence and the overconfidence lies in the famous story that we all have heard, the hare and the tortoise. As we know, the overconfident hare risks ignoring the tortoise. But However, Tortoise, with his consistent and confident steps, wins the race. Now the main question is, why is it important to be confident? Because confidence elevates the personality. Confidence attracts trust and reliability. And if we are confident, we can focus well on our priorities. As I mentioned before, we, the students, are often asked to be confident. It is because if we are confident, we can express well to our teachers, and we use the right tone of voice and right words to share our ideas. Confidence is not a thing to achieve, but it can be felt within ourselves every time, every day, and even now. So, dear audience, let me tell you one more example of a student from our Paramita High School. In 2024, Ms. Kannam Varshini was invited to the USA by the US government. And her talk is in top 18 talks in the world. She was a part of Paramita TED Club. And all the expenditure was borne by the US government. But however, she went alone to the USA because the parents were not allowed by the US government. And for the first time, a girl was going to the USA alone to the new world. This is what confidence means. And so Dr. APJ Kalam quotes, I am born with confidence, I am born with wings. Let me repeat it again for you. I am born with confidence, I am born with wings. Thank you.